Sorry guys, I am just creating multiple of video for this session because my system is restarting continuously. I don't know why. So that's why I have just created multiple of this three part of this video. Now you can see I am not getting the accurate data, right? Why I am showing you, maybe you will understood if you are also not getting. My data is coming correctly, but each data is rotating. You can see first is giving master, second time is a 2, third time is 3, fourth time it is a 4, fifth time it is 5, right? 3 to 5, then sixth time it is 6. Right, 7, because something we have done the mistake. What mistake we have done? We don't have to put these things here, we have to put here, right? Because in this loop we have to put, not in this. By mistake I have put here. That's why my result is coming, but it is not giving the expected result. So what I will go, I will just execute this now, and what we'll see, just wait for it has to wait for the creation of the video. Okay, just wait for this creation of this file. So it's taking time, just we will wait, we'll see what happened. Maybe it is a little bit slow now. Okay, now it is done. So now if I will go right click and open with Microsoft Edge, this time I'm getting the accurate result. I hope you understood where we are doing the mistake, because we have put this line into this loop. So everything is depend, like we cannot put this result into this loop, right? This loop is just for, you can click here, you can see this automatically it is came. So this result of this is here, right? What is this loop? Okay, this loop is here for each. So excuse me. So once the everything is going to be converted, right, then it has to be generate the file. If I will put here, what happened, the file will generate it each and every time, and every time it is going to be rotated. Means it is like your previous. So what happened, your what mistake we have done, it is taken the first line, it is generated a report. The first line is appended with first and second. Third, when it is went for third, means first, second, third is appended. So like that, its result is coming. So that is not good. So we have to put it here. Here what happened, your every result is going to be converted, saved into this variable, and then we are taking as an output. We are not going with each and every time once is this passed from the switch, and we are not going to generate the HTML file. So I hope you understood how we can do this, guys. So how to troubleshoot and all. So if you want to know the more about this PowerShell, and you want to do some automation kind of things, you can go with the PowerShell. For this too, I have already shown you. You go to the Udemy. You can go to the Udemy course and you can buy this course. You can email me also. You can go to this course like PowerShell or scripting and automation. You can see I have got 76 rating as of now, and thus I have got the good review also for all students. So you can see this is like you can see that is the good review I have. And there is one more course which one I only published, that is a PowerShell SQL. This is also very nice course. You can go with this. Here I am getting the rating 5 out of 5, and it is newly I have added. So this is like 68 student only. It is just enrolled into this, so you will get the much more idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please continuous watch. Thank you so much.